Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make my custom acrylics. Those containers I got at Amazon, and also the pigments I got at Amazon. I will put the link down below, but this is it. It holds a lot. It's small. It's pretty deep as well. So I'm just gonna uncover all of them. And oh, this is the spoon that it came with. This is my clear acrylic, and I'm gonna put a tablespoon and a half of clear powder in it, and I'm gonna add my pigments into it after. So stay tuned. So I'm gonna start off with the yellow. I'm gonna use 2 teaspoons of the yellow. Due to yellow is a very light color, and I want it to be very pigmented. So I'm just gonna use 2 teaspoons to mix it. I'm just gonna cover it up and shake it. I'm gonna see how the color blends instantly.
Baby, won't you meet me by the beat? Early, baby, later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit.
And just like that, you see the color. It's very vivid. You just gotta shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Sometimes you can use a spoon to mix it as well, but shaking is always the best thing to do. So yeah, so I'm gonna move on to the next colors, so stay tuned. So for the green, I'm not gonna use as much pigment like I did with the yellow, because green is a darker color. So I'm just gonna use less of the pigment, and same thing, just shake up and the color's just gonna blend. Stay tuned. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then I sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beat? Early, maybe later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Beauty city, phone me kisses, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Well, I see, I can show you. So here I'm just cleaning my spoon so that when I use my next pigment, I'm not mixing the color. So just always be mindful to clean off your spoon before going into the next color. World, I'm a walking erection. Spin without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how brave it is. Don't open your mouth, you speak good to me. I ain't built like him. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me. I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the phone, used to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the other niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. Because you let me low.
Trade with the drees. Come on, trade with the drees. Come on, trade with the drees. Come on, trade with the drees. Now everybody now. 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Yeah,
like to be fine, but I can't, babe. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by, but I'm burning. Behind my mind, it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind, running to be on my side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to pick me up. Tell me what I'm needing. I really need time. I need to free my now. I really need my love. I need to free my mind now. I really need time. I need to free my now. I really need my love, yeah.
So these are the 7 colors, and now it's time to test them out. I must tell you that these are so creamy, and you guys should try it. Making your own acrylic is like super fun. Just make sure you always spread something down, because it gets really messy. But I'm just gonna test these colors out, and yeah.
Baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy city, blowing me kisses. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chuck a look around. Find one that seems my type. Damn, my dog, and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Baby, we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy city, blowing me kisses. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Jury in the safe on arrival. Pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the top.
World, I'm a walking erection. Spin without a thought, we do it reckless. You niggas Call us texting.
So these are them before top coat, and these are them after. I must say you must give this a try and tell me how they came out. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe to my channel.